Okay, so this is the Moxy Val d'Europe. This is a Moxy extra sleeper with one queen bed. So as you can see, it's a pretty standard Moxy room right here. What you have is a pretty nice large television, a queen bed right here with plenty of sockets. There's a USB port, USB-C right here, and a plug. Bedside lamp. We have plenty of cushions, pillows. Over here, just on this side, there's just the single plug, which is a standard European plug. We have this nice couch area with a couple of tables down here. This sort of nice stand area, which I suppose you can use to do some work or whatever you might want to do there. We have a coffee machine, which is a Lavazza machine, so it should be pretty decent coffee. I suppose they're in here. Yeah, here we go. So they're these kind of sort of almost K-cup style things. So you get a Galleria Milano, what looks like a decaf pod right here. There's also some teas. So we have a White Whittington, never heard of that one before, but it's an English breakfast tea. We also have right here a chamomile tea. And they also provide 2 bottles of water right here. Over by the doorway, we have, again, some nice storage area with some coat racks. A privacy sign right over here. It doesn't look like there's any sort of safe. This right here you can fold out to put your luggage on it if you'd rather have it elevated from the floor. Then we have a walk-in shower with some shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. A nice big sink area as well. So, pretty nice room. I'm paying something like 100 euros a night, just over. So I think it's quite reasonable for what you get. It's part of the Marriott club. So if you're a Gold Elite member, you're going to get an upgrade. It's pretty good. Looking forward to staying here. And it's something like a 2-3 minute walk from the RER station. So you just exit. Actually, we've got a view out to the footpath right here. You just exit from, once I get there, you just exit from pretty much right here, where this sort of like a truck down there. You just go down the path. You hang a right there, and you're at the RER station. It's one stop to Disney. It's about 2 minutes, so you probably can be in the park for somewhere in the region of sort of 2 or 3 minutes from leaving here. Well, no, to the RER, 2 or 3 minutes into the park, maybe 10.